Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So we have a nice beef T-bone steak right here. We're about to make it nice, juicy, and extra tender. We also have our bell peppers. We have our yellow bell pepper, our red, but this is a spicy bell pepper. Don't sleep on it. This came straight from the garden. Spicy bell pepper have a nice little kick to it. And you know, we also have our little spring onions. So we're about to go ahead and make it happen. We have our garlic powder, our paprika, and our Cajun seasoning, Louisiana. So let's go ahead and season this bad boy up. Once we season it up real good on both sides, I'm just gonna take one of them skewers and poke holes in it so that seasoning can get right all up into the meat. So we doing both sides. We're doing this side on camera, the other side off camera. Alright. Give her that paprika, that nice color. Good garlic powder. Okay, there we go right there. So I'm about to go ahead and flip this boy over. I'll season the other side off camera. Okay, everything is seasoning, or the steak is seasoning. So we just grab two of these bad boys, and now we just go poke holes in this steak. Just like so. You want that seasoning to get all through that meat. You want all that flavor. Nice juicy steak. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn this bad boy over and we're gonna do the other side. I have in my pan, I have some extra virgin olive oil and a half a stick of butter. Okay, so here we go right here. Alright, so there you go right there. Alright, so you just want to just toss your little bell peppers in there so all the flavors will come together. We have some red onions that I chopped up. See, I love my onions. So we just to preheat our oven to 350. I usually have it on 400. Matter of fact, that's what we're going to put it on 400. So we want all that. Oh yeah. It's supposed to be a nice juicy tender steak. Watch and see. Alright, so now we're gonna add some of the spicy bell pepper. Hey, keep it real with you. I never know they had spicy bell peppers. I'm so serious. See, you learn something every day. Every day. Let me go ahead and rinse it. That's gonna have a lot of seed. So you know what I'm gonna do with them seeds? I'm gonna go ahead and put them in a Ziploc bag and replant them. So serious. Alright, boom. Alright, so we're gonna get inside another 3 minutes. Then we're gonna flip it. Okay, so I added a little more spices. I added one of my green habanero peppers. Right here, just one. So I just chop it up in nice size little cool pieces. So I want all the spices, all of it. Look at that. All that's flavor right there. The oven is ready. We're about to go ahead and throw this bad boy on the oven. So this is my dinner for the night. So while this in the oven, the wife is to be cooking dinner for the family. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of her way. But you know I had to come at my good family and friends with a nice video of one of my favorite steaks. Look at that. Can't go wrong with a T-bone steak, you know what I mean? Can't go wrong at all. Just smell that bad boy with the oven. With the onions and the bell peppers. I'm gonna throw it right in the oven. Fire. Look at that. We'll add a little bit of water. So you don't want to cover the whole steak. I ran out of apple cider vinegar, so we're gonna use some of this white vinegar. Now remember, you can clean your whatever meat you cooking with your vinegar, with white vinegar, and cook with apple cider vinegar. But you can also cook with your white vinegar. So let's go do the same little, get that same little work in. Now remember, don't use too much vinegar because a little bit of vinegar go a long ways. So if you go ahead and cover this up, throw it in the oven for a couple hours and forget about it. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and add our vegetables. We have some Thai basil, some bell peppers, and red onion. Steak is done. When I say this bad boy is tender, man, it is tender for real. So we're using some fresh bell pepper, onion, and I did Thai basil. And this is going on top of the steak. Alright, that's the juice from the steak right here. And we're using extra virgin olive oil. So remember, you can put extra virgin olive oil on anything, the salad, on anything. So we're gonna let this finish sauteing. We're gonna pour this on top of the steak. So there's nothing but flavor right here. Add a little more juice to it. Okay, so there we go right there. Nice, delicious T-bone steak. When I say this is so tender, this is tender for real. You see it separate from that bone right there. So if we get this good food on a nice plate, so we close this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And please don't forget, hit that like button for me. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen again in this good kitchen. Look at that T-bone steak. When I say that bad boy is juicy, it is juicy for real. Yeah. Only thing I ran out of was that A1 sauce. A1 sauce would have went perfect with it. But, you know, I'm still gonna make it taste the way it's supposed to without the A1 sauce. We have a little bit of rice with it, you know. I'm gonna throw some of this juice from the steak on this rice once it's time to start eating. But other than that, I done did my thing right here in this good kitchen. Made a nice, juicy, tender T-bone steak right here in my good kitchen. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.